Hello, I am Jeremy De Leon presenting to you my product, which is the Makerscope. So, what is a Makerscope? It is a keychain microscope. It is a compact and portable magnifying device designed to easily attach to your bag. Typically small enough to fit in your pocket. So, it's typically cheaper compared to a cup of coffee. It features a lens that allows you to examine objects up close range with a magnification of 10 times or 60 times more than what our naked eye can do. So these microscopes usually come with a built-in LED so that whenever you flash it into a object, there's a source of light to see clearer. At the same time, sometimes you can use your phone or your very own flashlight. These microscopes are useful for inspecting details in various materials such as fabric, plants, or even small mechanical parts. At some point, it can also inspect some things such as in school projects when we dissect some insects, or usually when you dissect frogs back in high school when I took it in my science class. Why did I make this? It's for the convenience of the people, because at the same time, um, it makes it popular among students, for people that have the interest to look through the microscopic world. So, what are the main purposes of making this? Or there's already a microscope, the microscope we know in the laboratories, but what is really the main purpose of this? So it's for education and learning. It is to enhance the science education by allowing students to explore and understand the microscopic organisms, cells, materials, and with this approach that you have a pocket-sized microscope, it allows them to do their project in a way that they're enjoying what they are doing. So, in the agriculture in the Philippines, this is where somehow our country excels. Farmers can use it to inspect soil, the quality of the soil, the pest, if ever there's a diseased plant or there's like a bacteria that may destroy the crops or that can harm the health of a person. This is to improve the crop management in our country. So for the healthcare and the hygiene, why is it important? So this can aid public health education by allowing individuals to examine hygiene practices. So as you know, we just came from a pandemic. Um, there are still certain people that are scared of certain places because it's very compact. It's important that we have a tool that we can just bring out of our pocket to inspect materials or things that we use every day to see if there is some bacteria to actually promote cleanliness and food awareness, and also for water as well. So for the environment, what makes it so important? So making I made this microscope. It's for us to be able to study the biodiversity and allowing people to explore our flora fauna. So it's important that we're aware of the situation of our animals, our situation when it comes to our environment, the pollution, and everything. That's very important because climate change is taking a really bad hit. Having to experience different kinds of floods from the typhoons that have been coming to our country. As we know, it is typhoon season nowadays. So, usually from the months of April to usually October, those are the times where these typhoons really excel, or it is not really a time where it's very hot. It's still hot, but these typhoons are coming in our country. So another purpose of why I made this product is for the crafts and hobbies. artisans and hobby enthusiasts can examine materials to enhance their craft work, promote local crafts, detailed in inspection of textures and patterns. So as we know, in the provinces, there's a local piece of art like Wang Od. She's like the known tattoo artist. That kind of art is what we excel in the Philippines. So to support local brands is very important. The value of Philippine culture, that is very important for us to look through also. So for the field and research as well, it's important that researchers in biology, ecology, and materials and science can be used in field work. It's important that we're able to use science in most of our things in life. It's not just to for leisure or for satisfying what our hobbies are, but it's also beneficial for our everyday wellness as a human being. So, what makes this stand out? So, what makes this product stand out is that a normal microscope is not portable. You have to be in a lab, or you need to send a certain material that you want to check to a lab. So, it is portable, it is compact sized, it is super easy to carry. This product helps you to just pick it up and just put it in your pocket, or even just place it somewhere, and it is very noticeable to the people because it's a keychain. So it's super easy to use. It's very easy to use. Usually, even kids can use this. So it is a user-friendly, requiring a minimal setup. So you don't really need to set up anything, but rather just pull out a phone or a flashlight, and also your pocket microscope. So the affordability, like what I mentioned earlier, it is super cheap. A cup of coffee is more expensive. What I can say is a cup of coffee these days in our favorite coffee shops range from 120 to 130 pesos. This is only around 70 pesos that I'm selling. It is super accessible to anyone. Just simply buying a miniature microscope is very affordable for most people. So the versatility. So for how small it is very versatile for its use. So there are some materials that are very expensive, but you do not get the versatility of this product. So what I mentioned is it has a built-in lighting. So like what I said earlier also, you can use your flashlight in your phone. But this product that I made has a built-in LED, making sure that visibility is very high, and at the same time, at low light conditions, this specimen can actually genuinely work its function. It's very low maintenance, so it typically just needs cleaning, but it doesn't need for you to spend more money if this type of product breaks, or it has a complex system that makes this such a very low maintenance item. So another one is encourages the curiosity. The easy access of this material gives you a spirit of learning, especially that it's very easy to find. You can always just find this in the flea market, or you can just buy this anywhere from the shops, or it's basically a very easy market find for us. So overall, the keychain microscope I made is blended with portability, affordability, and versatility, which makes it very easy to use and appealing to the people, but not just to sell this for the main purpose of selling, but also for the biology and the sense of science in our world. This is what our country lacks, is the versatility of items that can encourage the younger generations to really be on point with studying science. The importance of science flows and ponders upon us, especially that science is something that proves many things, and it proves things that could be beneficial to make a very good change in our society. Thank you very much. This is Jeremy De Leon. Thank you for listening.